Alright, so let's talk about some car tips that will save you a lot of headaches in the long run. First things first, make it a habit to check your rims and tires for any damage or punctures. You don't want to be driving around on a flat tire without even realizing it. Next, check your lights. Make sure your hazard lights, brake lights, and indicators are all working properly. You never know when you might need them in an emergency situation. Also, check for any objects that may be stuck under your car that could cause damage while driving. Now, pop open the bonnet and take a look inside. Check for any loose cables or connections that could potentially cause issues while driving. Make sure to also check the coolant, oil, brake fluid, and ATF levels to ensure everything is topped up and running smoothly. Don't forget to check the fans and fan belts as well. After you've done all that, close the bonnet and turn on the ignition. Check for any warning lights on the dashboard that may indicate a problem. Once you've done that, start up the car and listen to the sound of the engine. Make sure everything sounds normal and there are no strange noises coming from under the hood. Lastly, check your brakes to ensure they are working properly. You don't want to be caught in a situation where your brakes fail while driving. Once you've done all these checks, you're good to go. So there you have it, some simple car tips that will help keep your vehicle running smoothly and prevent any unexpected issues while on the road. Trust me, taking a few minutes to check these things can save you a lot of time and money in the long run. Thanks for your time, guys, and remember to thank me later when these tips come in handy. Drive safe.